my fellow Aldi addict? It's a Sunday. It's the day after Valentine's Day, and I love doing Aldi clearance hunts. So I'm here right as they're about to open to see what is marked down, how much it's marked down, and if there's anything that I want to grab on super clearance. I love the day after holidays because Aldi wants to get rid of their stuff. They don't do like 25% off and then 50% and then 70 and then 90. No, they just mark everything down really well. They want to get rid of it because they don't have a lot of room and they want to get their new stuff in. So I'm very curious how much is left, how much is discounted, what survived last minute gift givers, and there's only one way to see. We got to get in there and look. Let's go. They just opened. The Aldi Finds aisle is clear. Let's start over here. Pajamas. Valentine's sweaters, $2.49. I don't think they have any of those left. Pajamas. Oh, they've bagged some stuff up. Probably returns. $3.69. $1.99 for pullover. The dress is $2.49. They do have a single sweater left. Super cute. It's $2.49. So not a ton, but it's definitely marked down. The candle holders are on clearance for $1.69. The circle signs, $1.99. Valentine's Day planner, 99 cents. $2.49 for Squishmallow. They don't have any of those left, but $1.99 for the garlands here. Now this isn't marked down nearly as much, $12.79. The dog toys are $1.19. Gnomes, $2.19. The tray objects, $1.49. Dog toys, $1.19. The Valentine glitter houses are not marked down, but I would imagine that they probably are on clearance. They're not showing it though. Actual Valentine exchange cards, 49 cents. That'd be great to buy for next year if you could remember where they're at. They still have How to Train Your Dragon and Minions here. Paint your own wooden craft, 99 cents. Okay, so they had heart-shaped marshmallows, but those are already gone. So I don't know where they were. Maybe they marked things down last night because I'm the first person in this aisle. They also had Reese's mini peanut butter hearts for $1.49. I was hoping they had some of these, but they're not here. Let's see. Trail mix, strawberries and cream, or raspberry chocolate cherry, $1.19 a piece. I don't think I need any of those. Whole dipped freeze-dried strawberries. I feel like Mila might like these, $1.39. I'll try one of these. Someone made me excited. This is misplaced, but I thought it was $1.19. That's not right. Truffle hearts, Love Around the World, $1.19. I'll get one of these too. We still have one that I bought, but I know Elsie loves pistachio Dubai type chocolates. Now these are not marked. Oh, someone opened 8 and put those back. Okay. $6.49. These are not marked down. I'd be willing to bet they're on sale. The Russell Stover's heart-shaped chocolate box is gone, but it was marked down. But they have these heart-shaped Sour Patch Kid boxes for $1.49. Essentially, I think you get 2 3.4-ounce bags of Sour Patch Kids in there, which Mila does love these, but she just got Sour Patch Kids from her boyfriend, so I don't really know that she needs more. Still is a pretty good deal. And then heart-shaped pasta, 59 cents. I'll get this for us to have for a meal this week instead of $2.49. We love pasta. Now, obviously what remains at your Aldi is going to be different. This is just a good variety or showing you what there is. So they do have the kitchen accessories on clearance for 99 cents and the table runner or placemats. If they had another runner, I might buy that, but I don't want placemats, but those are cute. And these are the ones that kind of gave me the heebie-jeebies. No interest in those. I do love my mini heart spatulas. I probably would have gotten more of those. Heart snack containers would have been cute. They did have bakeware. That's not Valentine's. I think that's just marked down. I think this might be our last area. The Valentine's Day cheeses are gone. And the double pizza cookie is not considered Valentine, I guess, so it's not marked down. Okay, this might be my smallest clearance haul ever. Any guess on the total? I am grabbing another bag of this on my way to checkout, though. Not part of the clearance. It's just delicious. Right, on my way to checkout, there was one more clearance find that I found. The Valentine's Day hair accessories, and I feel like Elsie would really like this. They were $4.99, now they're only $1.19, but Elsie does wear bows in her hair. They also have this one. I'll add this to my clearance haul. I always forget they move Aldi finds up by the front. So I spent $7.42 for 5 items, and one of them was full price. So I got some really good discounts to get all of that for less than $8. I love looking at the Aldi clearance items. It's a fun way to try new things or to stock up on items before they leave for the season. I really hope that you have good luck if you go hunting. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you're looking for or what you score. I'll try not to be jealous if you find the Reese's heart-shaped boxes. That's what I really was hoping would be there. If you love clearance hauls and bargains and all things Aldi like me, you should stick around as a subscriber. Every Monday I go grocery shopping and share with you my weekly grocery haul. I look at the Aldi finds on Wednesday, and then I have these periodic random Aldi things that pop up as well. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, done and ciao.